Hi friends, welcome back. All right, happy Wednesday. Today, our focus in cultural is going to be magnetism. Do you guys remember magnets? If not, it's okay. We are going to go over them today and the term magnetism. So first, let's remember what force is. Remember, I believe it was Monday. Yeah, Monday. We reviewed force or went over force, and we defined force to be a push or a pull. So it's a simple push or a simple pull, right? So that's what force is. So how does magnetism relate to force, right? They're two different words. Do they relate? Yeah, they relate. Magnetism relates to force in the way that magnetism is a type of force, okay? So let's define magnetism. Magnetism is a force that can attract or repel objects that have a magnetic material like iron inside them. So let's backtrack and look at this definition a little more closely. So once again, magnetism is a force that can attract. And attract means to pull closer. So I am pulling closer, right? Or it can repel, can push away. So remember how we said force is a push or a pull? Well, it's the same thing in magnetism. Magnets can either attract or they can repel. Attract, pull close together, or repel, push away. All right, so let's see. This video, you should have it on Canvas, and also here, you are going to watch this on your own, and it will be, if you want to watch it on here, you just simply click the play button and it should play for you. If it doesn't, then just click on it on the Canvas page and it should play there. Now let's see. So magnets have two poles. They have a north pole and a south pole, right? And opposite poles tend to pull towards each other. That means that they attract. Remember? Attract means that they pull close. They pull towards each other. So opposite poles like each other and they like to be with each other. So they pull towards each other and they stick, right? Now the term repel means to push away. So if you put two poles from a magnet that are the same pole, so if you put the south pole with the south pole and you try to put them together, they're going to push away from each other because they don't like each other. So they're going to push away. So the same poles are going to repel. Whether you put the north and the north together or the south and the south, they're going to push away. But remember, if you turn your magnet over and you do the south with the north, opposite poles, they like each other. So they're going to stick and attract. All right. Also, magnets, remember, are attracted to most metals. And we say most metals because not every item or object that's made out of metal is going to be magnetic. Okay? So one example of that is aluminum. Aluminum is not magnetic, and we will see that in our next video. I will show you. All right, so now it's your turn. For your assignment, you are going to answer these two questions about poles. So it says, which way will the car move if the magnet in the hand gets near the magnet taped to the top of the car? So if this magnet were to get closer to this one, is this magnet going to attract to the other magnet or is it going to push away? So you're going to answer that by circling which arrow points in the direction that the car is going to go. All right? And we will do this in the next video too. So if you want to take a guess, try it out by yourself, go ahead and then you can watch the next video and you can always come back and change your answer if it was wrong. So that's what you will do in this, and you can simply just click on the circle and drag it to the answer that you want to put it in. Something that you can use is a hint right here. It says pay attention to the poles of the magnets. You can always go back up here to remember what the poles do when you put them near each other.